If there is one celebrity you want me to date, who is it? I think my mom knows.
Hrithik Roshan.
Exactly.
I know, you are crazy for him.
Oh God.
How many times you saw that movie? Tomorrow Pyar Hai.
After I came out, I actually don't know who you reached out to. Did you go into a closet or आपने किसको बताया था सबसे पहले?
We didn't go into a closet. और आई थिंक सबसे पहले मैंने बताया आपकी मासी को और फिर आपकी बुआ को, और पर ये हुआ कि हमको उनके साथ बैठ के बात करनी पड़ी.
One, two, three, start कर दे. Yeah. Hi, I'm Simi. I'm a proud mother of Ashish. He identifies himself as a gay man.
Hi, I'm Renu Sharma. My pronouns are she and her. I'm an out and proud mother of Riya, who identifies as gender fluid and lesbian.
What did you think when I told you that I was queer?
I clearly remember the day when you came out. I think it was 2 days before your 16th birthday, and you were crying like hell. And the only thing at that moment we wanted कि you should stop crying. आप रोना बंद कर दो. वो उसकी वजह क्या है, that did not bother at that time. क्योंकि it really breaks a parent's heart, you know, when the child cries. And then you said, Mama, Papa, I am queer. और तब हमको लगा कि एक पेरेंट की एक्सपेक्टेशन क्या होती है बच्चे से, कि वो खुश रहे और वो एक अच्छा इंसान बन जाए. तो हमने तब ये सोचा कि अरे रिया तो एक अच्छा बच्चा भी है और बहुत अच्छी ह्यूमन बीइंग बनती जा रही है, तो उसका क्यूअर होने या लेस्बियन होने या जेंडर फ्लूइड होने से क्या फ़र्क पड़ता है. तो इट रियली डिडंट बॉदर अस फॉर अ मोमेंट ऑल्सो दैट यू आर क्वेयर.
That was a very horrifying day. I remember Astha and my elder sister, they told me for the first time. And I started crying, and I couldn't hold my tears that day, and came back straight to home, and you were not available at that time in the evening. And when we sat, I think at night we sat till 2:30, and then that day you told me everything about your journey and about your schooling especially.
Yeah.
And I asked you, why did you take so many years to tell me?
I was out on a date with a guy, and my brother calls me that Ashish, Mama found out. Come home right now.
Really?
Yes.
I think I'm getting this today only. You
मैं
told
झूठ
me.
बोल के गया था. I'm going to go meet a friend from school, and it was actually a date for a guy.
So let me explore more now. Were you scared to come out to me?
Obviously, I think for any queer person, it is the scariest bit कि telling your family, telling your parents about it. क्योंकि वो डर रहता है दिमाग में that your parents might kick you out, they will hate you, they will stop talking to you, and that also happened. Like we did not speak for a very long time.
But do you think I would have reacted that way, and I would have thrown you out of my house and creating that drama? Do you think that would have happened?
Maybe, you never know. You can never predict anyone's reactions. The most educated parents have also kicked their children out. So education and all have nothing to do with how accepting parents are.
How did you feel on the day Section 377 was read down?
It was, I think, the most emotional day of my life. बिकॉज मैं ऑफिस में था. मैंने मैनेजर को बोला था कि मुझे दिल्ली जाना है, बिकॉज कल हमारा बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट जजमेंट आ रहा है. अगर वो हमारे फेवर में हुआ तो आई वांट टू सेलिब्रेट विद माय कम्युनिटी. अगर वो हमारे अगेंस्ट हुआ तो हमें कोर्ट के आगे वी वांट टू प्रोटेस्ट. एंड माय मैनेजर सेज इट्स नॉट दैट इम्पोर्टेंट, तुम कल ऑफिस आ रहे हो. मैं बोला ये मेरी लाइफ का सबसे बड़ा डिसीजन है. आई गेट टू फाइंड आउट इफ आई एम अ क्रिमिनल और नॉट इन दिस कंट्री फॉर लविंग हु आई एम. कुछ गलत भी नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं. और आपको लगता है ये इम्पोर्टेंट नहीं है? बोलता है हाँ, आई मीन व्हाट विल यू डू देयर? तो अगले दिन आई हैड टू कम टू वर्क एंड मेरा पूरा जो गैंग है लड़कियों का ऑफिस में, 15 लड़कियाँ, ऑल ऑफ अस आर सिटिंग वेटिंग कि क्या होगा क्या होगा क्या होगा. द डिसीजन कम्स, इट्स इन आवर फेवर. And all the 15 girls around me are crying and I'm happy. I'm ordering ice cream for everyone. मैं सोच रहा हूँ तुम लोग क्यों रो रहे हो, तुम्हें तो फर्क भी नहीं पड़ता इससे. They're like, no, we're just happy for you. And then my manager came, he's like, congratulations. I saw the judgment. I'm like, thank you. But after that, I went to the washroom and cried a lot.
I was scared about disappointing you that I was queer. Definitely, I was on the journey of loving myself, understanding myself, but I did not know how you would react. So yes, I was scared, but somewhere I also knew that you have always supported me in my journey. When was the first time that you knew that I was queer?
I will not say I completely knew that you were queer, but बचपन से you were stereotypically different. तो I think बचपन से I think that was your self-identification journey of your gender also.
Next question. If there is one celebrity you want me to date, who is it? I think my mom knows.
Hrithik Roshan.
Exactly.
I know, you are crazy for him.
Oh God.
How many times you saw that movie? तो होना प्यार है.
मेरे पूरे कमरे में ऋतिक रोशन के पोस्टर्स लगे रहते हैं. मेरे वॉलपेपर्स सारे मोबाइल के ऋतिक रोशन की फोटोज थी. आई हैव सीन ऑल हिज मूवीज 100 times. And वो भी सुबह 8 बजे 9 बजे वाला शो, चाहे द फर्स्ट शो, आई विल ऑलवेज बी देयर.
Celebrity Adina from Bold Type.
Definitely. I would definitely marry her if I had to, and if you're listening, then okay.
तो मैं भी तो चाहूंगी ना मेरी भी एक सुंदर सी प्यारी सी बहू हो, है ना?
Definitely.
When did you truly believe I accepted you?
Oh God, the most emotional day of my life. When my mom walked the Delhi Pride Parade, there were a few journalists who came to me who were like, oh, is she your mother? Can we interview? And I just kept crying. I could not believe that my mother is here. They were asking me questions and I'm like, let me finish this. I will answer your questions. It was super emotional. I had no idea my mom would ever walk a Pride Parade with me. But that day was insane. I was just overjoyed.
तो क्या मैं फिर grandmother बनूंगी?
I think yes, I'm still on the journey of finding my soulmate now that I'm single. So I think yes, I am on the journey to find a person who I spiritually connect. But I think uske baad I want to marry the love of my life in this country very proudly, and I have a very typical Punjabi marriage. With a proper
with all the
sherwani.
buas and
yes.
masis and mamajis.
All the rituals
Right.
need to be done.
Right. Okay.
And yes, I mean, I also want to adopt children. And I feel that adoption is a beautiful concept. And I want to give somebody that opportunity to grow.
Do you worry about my future?
Oh yes, definitely. I still have some worries. Although at that stage, I think 2-3 years back, I was very scared about your organization, about how मैं पता चल गया तो क्या होगा. तेरे को तो ऑफिस से ही ना कहीं तेरे को बाहर निकाल दें, या योर बॉस माइट रिएक्ट. तो वो किस तरीके का रिएक्शन होगा इसका. तो मैं सोचती थी कि इसका तो पूरा कैरियर ही खत्म हो गया.
एंड वही लाइक मूवीज में देखा है कि गे पीपल आर ऑलवेज द जोक. तो मेरे को ये पता था कि मेरी मॉम को ये लग रहा होगा कि ये बड़े होकर बॉबी डार्लिंग जैसा बनेगा, पूरी दुनिया इस पे हंसेगी. दैट वाज द मेन थॉट दैट वाज इन माय हेड कि ये चल रहा होगा मेरी मॉम के दिमाग में, सब हंसते रहेंगे इस पे. एंड
और अब मुझे ये लगता है कि हाई इसकी शादी कैसे करेंगे, नानी को कैसे बताएंगे. माय नानी इज स्टिल नॉट अवेयर ऑफ इट एंड शी इज टेलिंग मी सिमी अब तो ये सेटल हो चुका है, अच्छी जॉब भी हो चुकी है, अब इसकी शादी करनी है. दोनों बेटों की शादी इकट्ठी कर देते हैं. तो मन में एक ऐसी धड़क होती है कि एकदम से मम्मी ने ऐसा बोला तो मैं उनको क्या जवाब दूँ, मैं कैसे शादी के लिए बोलूँ, और शादी कैसे करेंगे, कहाँ करेंगे.
पंडित कैसे ढूंढेंगे.
How will I react to your spouse, and how will he take me?
वो जब होगा तब देखूंगा.
Too many worries, I
What's
think.
your question? Your message to queer parents watching this video. What do you want to tell other parents?
Yeah, so the only message I would love to give you is love them, hug them, kiss them, because closet is definitely not the place to be in.
I would say कि ये आपके खुद के बच्चे हैं and they need your love and support. First thing is कि right from the beginning, give them the freedom to express themselves completely. उनको घर पे वो freedom का एक safe environment हो जहाँ वो completely अपने आप को express कर सके और discuss कर सके उनके मन में क्या चल रहा है.
So I love you with all of my heart.
We are truthful, unafraid and independent because of you. Now you can help our reporting from the ground. Go to thequint.com, click Become a Member tab, choose a plan and pay. Because the truth is worth it.